Pasta e Faglioli. Pasta and bean soup. A soup from Italy. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Place olive oil and garlic in a large saucepot, 6 quart. Cook over medium heat just until golden. Add tomato paste and cook 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Step 2. Puree 1 can of beans in food processor or blender, add to saucepot with remaining beans. Cook 2 minutes, stire in basil. Add 2 cups boiling water, broth, salt and pepper. Step 3. Increase heat and bring to a boil, with Parmesan and fresh basil, if desired. 5 minutes. Add pasta. Cook about 8 minutes or until al dente, tender to the tooth, adding remaining hot water if needed and stirring occasionally. Culture, countries, travel.